Hello, and welcome to third lesson on HTML by EasyWebsiteMakers.com. In this lesson we will cover text and paragraphs, also including headings. Paragraph is the most important element in HTML website page. We use paragraphs to display all kinds of text and information. Every HTML page should have paragraphs in its content. So, if you want to create a paragraph, we should first start with a paragraph title. We use heading for paragraph titles, so open your notepad and save the blank HTML file using save as and type myfile.html. Now, open the saved file with your web browser. In Notepad, type doctype, HTML and body tags. Now, in body tags, type 3 times "this is my title." Mark the first with h1, second with h2 and third with h3 tags. Save the HTML file and reload your web browser. As you can see, the three headings are different in size. As you increase the number next to the H letter, your heading will be smaller. In HTML we have headings from h1 to h6. But remember this, we don't use heading size to change the actual size of the title, but to emphasize the importance of headings in our HTML file. Let me explain. If we have a HTML page that has a half of dozen headings, some of them are normally more important than others. So we use this numerical separation to establish hierarchy. This is also important for search engines like Google, Yahoo and others. For visual description we use different language called CSS, which is used for website graphics, but CSS is a different tutorial and we will get to that later. Now, go to your notepad and below the first heading type some text. Let's say, "Welcome to my website." Here you can find everything what you want, and mark it with paragraph tags. You can also change the title to "Welcome." Save the HTML file and reload it in your web browser. As you can see, you have a well-marked paragraph. If you want to write these two sentences one below the other, as you can see, if you use Enter to do that, nothing changes. In HTML we use the break tag to do that, so instead of Enter, on the end of the first sentence type BR tag. Save and reload. And don't use paragraph tags to divide sentences, that's just wrong. To visually divide two paragraphs even more, type the horizontal line tag between two paragraphs, less than, HR greater than. Save the file and reload it in your web browser. Now you can see the line is dividing two paragraphs. Thanks for watching.